KK Java tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand what's the difference between EQ and natural joins, right? So there are two kind of join, EQ join and natural join. So we will understand the concept through an example. First of all, let's try to understand a concept. Let's start with the EQ join. A join that is formed as a result of equality condition between the two columns is called an EQ join. This is also sometimes referred as a simple join, right? The comparison operator used in this join is equal to. So this condition usually we use in the EQ join. Okay. Now let's try to understand through an example. Let's say I would like to fetch some information from employee table, like employee name, job, or you can say salary, right? Here is the salary, and some information from the department table, like D name or location, right? Using EQ join. Then how we can write? So let me write the query. So I will write select. I would like to first select a few columns from employee table. So I would say e name, then a job, and then salary. These three attributes I would like to select from the EMP table. Then D name means department name, and location we would like to select from the department. I would say from EMP, comma DEPT, right? And now where clause you will have to write where clause. Now there is a column is called department number, which is available in department table as a DEPT number, which is primary key in the department table, and same table DEPT number which exists in the employee table, which is as a foreign key. So we will put condition on this. So I would say EMP, and we will refer this column using the table name. So EMP column DEPT equal to DEPT dot DEPT number, right? So this is basically EQ join. If I run, then here we get the result, right? Let me format this query. Now here one thing you will have to keep in mind, these columns are very unique to these two tables, right? But if I would like to fetch one column value which is common name in both the tables, like DEPT number, then this query will throw you an error. Let me show you. Now saying that line number 4, which is nothing but this, column ambiguity defined, means this column name exists in both the tables. Now Oracle is confused which column value department number from department number is available in the EMP as well as department table, from which table I need to fetch. So you have to give the clear instruction to the Oracle by prefixing your table name before your column name. You can access this column using table name or table alias name, right? So here I have prefixed table name. Now there is no ambiguity and easily you can fetch the result, right? So this is all about EQ join, where you use the equal to operator for condition, right? Now let's move ahead and let's see what is basically natural join, right? So let's see, first of all understand the concept. Now let's understand the natural join. When the join is based on all the common columns having same name in different tables is called natural join. In case of natural join, you don't have to give explicit join condition, as well as you don't have to qualify the common column names with their table names, how you did in the EQ join. So let's try to understand through an example. So just I am going to copy this query, right? And here we are selecting department number. Just I'm going to remove as of now. Okay. Now I'm going to select employee name, job, salary, department name, and location, right? Here when you write natural join, you don't need to specify this where condition. Where condition automatically will be taken by the basically natural join. So here you can see department number. This name this column has the same name in both the tables. So natural join says, hey, don't mention this condition. This condition I will automatically take, right? If you perform natural join between employee and department, and if there is a same column name with the same data type, then I will include this condition for you, right? Now here we want to perform natural join between employee table and department table. They simply will have to write natural join. That's it. So this signifies that we are performing natural join between employee and table. That's it. Now if I run this query, then you'll see the same output. Here you can see the same output we get. So now here earlier you have remember when I tried to access department number, DEPT number in EQUJOIN, then that was thrown an error, and I had access through table alias here, right? Now in natural join you don't need to specify table name. This will access automatically. Here you can see that's the advantage of natural join. So natural join, in natural join, if you have a same column name in both the tables, right, like we have a department number in both the tables, so automatically that will be included in the where clause. You don't need to write explicitly, and you cannot write, right, in natural join. So that's the difference you have between natural join and EQJOIN. EQJOIN always you have to use equals operator in where clause, right? But here you don't need to use. Apart from that, if there is some table ambiguity, if same table name exists in both the tables, then EQJOIN you are going to refer by the either table name or table alias name. But same you don't have to do in the natural join. That's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial. I hope you are very much clear about EQJOIN and natural join. Guys, big thank you and see you there in the next video tutorial.